How to turn off commenting on Instagram post. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to turn off the commenting on a certain post, just open Instagram and go to your feed. Select on the post in which you want to turn off commenting. Once you tap on it, tap on the three dots on the top right corner. Then you will see the option turn off commenting. Tap on it and it is done. Now you can tap on review controls to make any additional changes such as allowing comments from, turning on commenting or other options as well. Once this is done, your post will be turned off on commenting. Now if you want this changes to all posts, what you can do is click on your profile and on the hamburger icon. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see who can see your contents and how others can interact. Under it, select comments, and from here, you can choose to block the comments from or you can hide the comments from as well. So, this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.